Amorality of Distinction in Psycho-Politics of Predation by Tempel of Blood. It is important to realize that this 15-parter led to an early edition of Liber 333. We find art that seems to represent the inhumanity against the Asians by the greatest generation and the baby boomers between multiple dedications to the entity of the path of Moon to Mars. We have an altered picture of Hezbollah fighters to bear Tempel of Blood sigils on their forehead, pointing out that training presences demons. The next picture shows that mutilation is for the sake of oneself, or for those who witness the results of brutality. The next picture is of the continual desire for lower knowledge. The final picture, in between, reminds us of the harsh realities of life towards something produced by the death current. We open with the Tempel of Blood soldier and the sign of Moon to Mercury. The trials of life open the way to vitalize your material life in a way that has permanent effects. Moon to Saturn will give the water and blood birth to those who have done the black alchemy to, as Alquran 101, ayat 8 through 11 indicates, lighten themselves and go to the most intensely hot void with it as their mother. The stations are dedicated in the base segments of the ritual cycle. Something is given up in the positive division towards my 4th year for the drill Sergeant Gray Nexium. There is something beyond, but it is brought forth in the final path to the elemental. Those who are bringing about the fall of the West are distorting its energies into what can't resist its conservative and liberal role. Sun to Saturn is how we will know the final way to free us from this control system. We're doing or not doing something is based on their interpretation. It will happen through enough working towards the disruptions that will enable it to bring forth the mass paradigm shift, more properly called Coronzone in Enochian. The abyss is the personification of dark energy stretching you in every direction till you shatter and see what you are beyond the false egos. Coronzone edits the situation based on your seriousness to moonwalk or thrust into the unknown chaos. The rituals of the Satanist are met with slinking whispers in reply. The perception shifts to a control over the outer worlds, despite any physical confinement. Sun to Jupiter requires you to be more than just some human being. A person needs to continue the practices in preparation that your death counts like an offering, and you are met by the fulfillment of the deeds that mark what you really incarnated. You don't have to do the negative actions yourself. To use their energy to open a gateway are towards being a vehicle of such a connection between the physical and spiritual worlds. The stain on the heart that religion talks about is something that can be lived and spread. From the youngest of ages, Mars to Jupiter, chose people for her purposes. Moon to Saturn, Moon to Mars, and the companion of Moon to Venus, and Venus to Mars are part of the ascent to between the shoulders. Before the fall to Moon to Earth. This comes in the rituals you wake up to do in the last quarter of the night. Jupiter to Saturn uses the situation to multiply thought forms as the stars to the planets is manifested. We are now in the year 136 of the horrible age. Mars was its closest in 50,000 years, and we can realize its symbolic fulfillment beyond trembling. As mentioned in Al-Quran, Surah 70, ayat 1-4, the time draws near for that torment that sends the spirit and light beings ascending for 50,000 years. The presencing of the dark ones is in many ways, as the pathways are evoked by the many, and more of them are let in with a sort of death to the former sense of being alive by signs, words, and adversarial life. The real Satanist is becoming a demon. Like a child of Satan, the images of the Black Book of Satan 2 by Christos Beast may be used in pathworking, or one's own will practice sitting among the general sigils of Sun to Saturn, Sun to Jupiter, and Mercury to Mars to project the darkness and tearing open the gates in the environment for them to go through. I personally have found the gates near to Io, Rhea, and Charon most useful. And, that would be by Jupiter, Saturn, Pluto. And by one's own, I mean your own tarot images or whatever you want to call them. Something happens when studying a path, but the experience of it will do as nothing else will. The black sun has been rising in the west as more and more transform their inner pathways. The replacement of chivalry in the celebrities and politicians will be proven to be the inferiors to those who live in favor of the unseen. It will be like a new species arising, and it starts with words and other forms. America is breaking down in its structure and vulnerable to the conquering from within by the 117 causal tribes that will unveil the mystery that submits to it, rather than the Satanist being a submitter. Politics and its modes are a tool to bring about the most change or conflict with it. They will know Mastarion Babylon Ha Magala for what it truly is by going beyond these weakened in various ways by those who believe in the system for itself. In recent decades, we have seen the growing popularity of chants of death to our conspiracy isn't the treason that those who take them out of context think. We are part of bringing about a new sort of society, and that is not necessarily the destruction of the outer forms. The form we build is beyond the physical, but the physical is offered to presence, but opens the feedback loop. Mercury to Venus is but one of the many signs that can be connected to peak events. The 18.333 current is as the disturbing lunar victory of a fragmented personality. Our movement and inner flow is entrained within our chants. One ordeal that we can put ourselves through is to come out in a few new moons. 4 total months. Well, I mean, 4 new moons with 3 months in between. With an herbal tincture that was worn are within a couple steps. Moon to Mercury is the touch point for the aspiring Noctulian to declare their blood as of them after chanting about the end times, the glory of the apostle, and blaspheming, or at least what's called blaspheming. The Satanists exerts themselves at midnight and 3/4 into the night. The ritual is done with the view of the sky and not the same place the whole time. An elimination diet is done during. Make a record of the experience and how it changes how things are experienced. The herbal solution can be a gift to a fellow Temple of Blood member or leader at the end, particularly one who advises you of individual behaviors for or during this season of Black Alchemy. Be a part of something beyond your ancestry to oppose the liberal enemy of your people by their conservative codes and with consciousness of Mercury to Saturn and Sun to Mars when they enact their secret calendar. This program will be released during Passover 2024. Our identity will not be undone by the cancel and censorship cultures, and we will take over their sacred formulas. We do not come to them as mortals, but representatives of something darker, conscripted by the five. Both Moon to Mars and Sun to Mars are presencing their power among us. transforms. The whitewashed will not stop what is to come. And to iterate about the graphic, hell, heaven, Tivib, gray, sleeve, presence, woo, sergeant, culti, power, hazi, drill, test, tester, vrum, knowledge, zipti, limits, transcendence. And that's the Drill Sergeant Gray chant that we have gone over before. And another way that Psycho-Politics of Predation by Tempel of Blood has been summarized. Manifest the darkness, chant beyond worlds. Be an active player in the end times. Divide and conquer your false self. Become a vehicle. Commune with that beyond material incarnation. Increase in skill and endurance. Learn indifference. Operate with a portable temple. Enter into the struggle fully, but not senselessly. Operate beyond taking signs. Establish beyond ritual places. Time and place matter. The current is of change and dwelling on the edge. The shadows will affect the purifying. And so I processed these stories and in bits. So, some people may consider some things to be the case with this, but I'm not really talking so much about any particular group here. And okay, I'm not sure what all I commented on of what I read, but one thing is, what they believe. I was referring to what these people believe because, not necessarily, Lum Kazdivum Mahamik Sleeve Woo Kilti Hazi Rum Zipti